Reduce water demand, they say. But I say, how can I reduce water demand if I don't have any? I don't have taps to turn on. Flushing toilet, dishwasher, swimming pool.
Estate, wait, we have Kasi style. Bona, my Kasi, my water. Look at my garden. We call it creative thinking. I tell you, no water waste. We need to keep water inside our properties. Come on, it's in Yarona. I collect water with these tanks of faith, natural water from the sky. This water is cleaner than rental water. With gasigutters, yeah? Young into faith, we wanna move. I get to wash dishes, the body, wash otapamele, or sisa, you know, watering the plants, and you get to eat faith, buffalo.
A cyclical water system.
Together, we call it gravity science.
Bill Jenkins.
Remember, every drop counts.
In return, there'll be a healthy lemon tree.
From the rain to food security. Yeah?
Check this out.
Chain reaction. Metsi atamaela mo fatshe ha fetsa aya gardening. This we call it chain reaction. Water directed to the ground into the garden. In the olden days, bokoko, they were not having boreholes. They were using natural flow of waters. And then, when it is hard, I do Kasi style. Now, I'm ready for day 0, wave 4, level 5, stage 3.
Emcha, nangitshele. Imvula mangekho